Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the 3-tier mesh utility cart from the PP Shell store. I'm down in my garage. I just put this together. It takes about 15 or 20 minutes. It's extremely easy to put together, so no worries there. This is a nice little utility cart. Let me give you a little closer look at it. Now, the bottom of these shelves, that's metal mesh. They're quite sturdy, so you could definitely put some weight in there. And all three of these little baskets have that mesh. The white paint, I don't see any imperfections in that. It is excellent. Down here at the bottom, you get these little caster wheels, and they roll around just fine. And on two of the wheels, they give you the little lock. So what I did is I just put one on both sides, one of these locking wheels, just in case I ever needed to keep it from rolling, I could lock that. But yeah, this is very impressive. This is a really nice little utility cart. Let's go ahead and do a measurement because most people will definitely be interested in a real world measurement. And this little cart is 35 inches tall, and the width is 17 inches wide. Now this is my wife's art room, and it's a little bit messy. She's still getting organized down here. And that little table right there, a little bit messy, but she said I could show it on video because it's not going to be messy long. And she's going to reorganize all of her art supplies, and she's going to use this little 3-tier mesh utility cart for her paints and supplies and stuff like that. So it's going to be perfect for us. And if you're looking at this little cart, I hope you found this video helpful.